Bonjour à tous, j'espère que vous allez très bien. Dans cette leçon, nous allons donc voir ensemble la grammaire française. Hi everyone, today I'm gonna coach you guys French grammar. Mbote na bandeko nyonso boza kolanda ngai, lelo na kotangisa bino la grammaire française. Alors, naza mpona koyede bino soki ozocomprendre te, tindelanga message na osala nyonso tu mpona ede bino. Guys, it's my job. You don't get it? Send me the message. I'm gonna try my best as I can to help you guys. Okay? So, c'est parti. So here we're gonna look at S. We're gonna look at this. We're gonna look at this. Okay? So we're gonna look at sometimes when you are reading in French, S, you don't need to pronounce S. You don't need to pronounce B. You don't need to pronounce D. They are they're like silent. You don't pronounce them. Ok? Alors, ici, on a vilain et congolais, grand et intelligent. Guylaine et congolaise, grand et intelligent. Alors, when you take a look, there's a mistake there. Take a look. Guys, take a look. There's a mistake there. Okay? So we have Guylain. This one, silent. Guylain et congolais. This one is silent. Grand et intelligent. Okay? So, when you take a look, Guylain et congolais, grand et intelligent. Right? Now, when you take a look, Guylaine et congolaise, grand et intelligente. Ici, you put I. En français, c'est E. Guylaine et congolaise, grande et intelligente. So when you're reading it, some of the word at the end you have to pronounce them. Tango zotanga na français. Ba mo mususu eza wana na awa il faut prononcer. Mususu o prononcer ngo te, mais mususu il faut tanga yango. Eh? I'm gonna go with you guys step by step. Okay? So when you take a look, right? When you take a look here, Guylain et congolais, grand et intelligent. Pardon? This one silent. Guylaine et congolaise, grande et intelligente. Donc, Guylaine et congolaise. This one sound like Z. Sound like Z. Guylaine et congolaise, grande et intelligente. Okay? Si il est angolais, il est amusant et intelligent. So we can link here. Here we link it. Here we can also like link it. It sounds like ta. This one. Here we link it. Okay? We link that. So if you don't want to link it, that's fine. Guylain, il est angolaise, or you can also say il est anglaise, il est amusant. Sorry, this one. Here we link it here. Okay, this one. Il est angolais, il est amusant. Don't sound like tant. Amusant, zan. This one become like this. Zan. Forget about this. Okay? Et intelligent. This one, if you want to link it, that's okay. If you don't want to link it, that's fine. Okay? It's not like mandatory. You have to link it. No, it's not mandatory because as a beginner, I'm gonna understand that. Okay? So if I want to say, for example, il est anglais, il est amusant et intelligent. But here it's not mandatory. Here, you don't need this. You don't have to link this. No, you don't. But here also you don't have to. If you don't want it, That's okay. So here, same thing. If you want to say il est angolais, il est amusant et intelligent, that's fine. People understand because you are beginner. Osa lokola débutant. Tant so bon. Par exemple, le lobby, Guilain est angolais. Il est amusant et intelligent. That's fine. Because this one here, this one is silent. You don't pronounce it. Yeah? You don't pronounce that. So, if you say Guilain est congolais, grand et intelligent, that's fine. Guylaine est congolaise, grande et intelligente. Okay? Il est angolais, il est amusant et intelligent. That's fine. Okay? So, one more time. Guylain est congolais, grand et intelligent. Guylaine, this one silent. Guylaine est congolaise, femme, grande et intelligente. This one, make sure you pronounce it. But you don't need to say come when you're reading, no. Guylaine est congolaise, grande et intelligente. Il est angolais, il est amusant et intelligent. So if you say il est angolais, that's fine. Il est angolais, il est amusant et intelligent, that's fine. Okay, so as a beginner, I understand. Because you're not your level is not up, so we have to go step by step. Okay, one more time. Guylain est congolais, grand et intelligent. Guylaine est congolaise, grande et intelligente. Il est angolais, il est amusant et intelligent. Okay? Si Guylain est congolais, grand et intelligent. Il est angolais, il est amusant et intelligent. One more time. Guylain est congolais, grand et intelligent. Il est angolais, il est amusant et intelligent. Okay? So, enfin, Guylain est congolais, grand et intelligent. Il est angolais, il est amusant et intelligent. That's fine. If you want to say this, il est angolais, il est amusant et intelligent. That's fine. That's fine too, you know. Kevin est étudiant. Il est canadien. Il est grand. Il est blond. Il est jeune. So when you take a look, we have adjective there. But we have a different type of adjective. In this class, I'm going to go with you guys step by step. Okay? Because you're a beginner. I cannot just give you guys a lot. It doesn't work like that. Okay? Kevin is a noun, proper noun. Is verb to be in present tense. Please watch my the other video. You're gonna see it. Étudiant. Okay. Il est canadien. Il est grand. Il est blond. Il est jeune. Jeune doesn't change. We can use for the female. You can also say elle est jeune. Guylain est jeune. Guylaine est jeune. Okay. We have here the same sentence, but this part for the female. So if I go back a little bit, if I go back, here, I was talking about the male. In this case, I was talking about the male because Kevin is a male. Yeah, this. About the male. Okay? Here, I'm going to talk about the female. Because Kevin is a noun, is a proper noun for female. Okay? Here, I'm going to focus on the female. Female, okay? female, féminin. Okay? Kevin est étudiante. If you say Kevin est étudiante, that's okay. Kevin est étudiante. Elle est canadienne. Elle est grande. Elle est blonde. Elle est jeune. Okay? So, étudiante, canadienne, grande, blonde, jeune. So, jeune doesn't change. We can use both for male and female, okay? Ici, on a masculin, féminin, okay? This is what I'm talking about. So here we're going to focus on masculine. Okay? We're going to focus on this. This one is masculine. Here. Okay? Not feminine. So, Gulin est étudiant. Il est grand. Il est marié. Il est jeune. Donc, Gulin est étudiant. Il est grand. Il est marié. Il est jeune. Okay? Si on a féminin. Here we have a feminine word. This one. Guylaine est étudiante. Elle est grande. Elle est mariée. Si on ajoute ça, elle est jeune. Donc, ici, féminin. Okay? Female. In case you don't get it. Okay? Female. That's why I end up putting this one. Okay? This one doesn't change. Yango moni ki raison na yeko tabo. Moni Guylaine eza kombo ya mwana mwasi. Na pronom au lieu que tu lobela Guylaine to remplacer kombo na ba kombo o ndeti féminin masculin to remplacer on a pronom. Il y a raison de utiliser ba pronom pour remplacer ba kombo. Au lieu que lobela Guylaine est né à Kinshasa, Guylaine est parti en Europe, Guylaine. Non. Utiliser il est parti, il est étudiant. Il y a un autre utilisation. So here you're gonna use when we use you're gonna see this at the end of some of the adjective. For example, here Abi is a male noun. This one is a male noun. Abi est canadien. This is at the end. What we have. This Abi is a female. That's why we have here. Abi est canadienne. Here we have Kevin. It's a male noun. Kevin est informaticien. Kevin est a female noun. Kevin est informaticienne. Okay? So here we have Justin est électricien. That's why we have this at the end. Justine is a feminine. Justin is a masculine. Justine is a feminine. So we have Justine est électricienne. That's why we have this at the end. Okay? Now we have René. It's a male noun. So René est mécanicien. Okay? It's a male noun. Now René, this one is a female. René est mécanicienne. That's why we end up having this. Moni Abi oeza comme mwana mbali. Yango tolobi Abi est canadien. Nakope koloba Abi est congolais. Po eza comme mwana mbali. Go Abi ya mwana mwasi toloba Abi est canadienne. Tu nakope cet exemple na lobi Abi est angolais. Angolais za pona mwana mobali. Eza adjectif. Siko Abi ya mwana mwasi komba mwana mwasi Abi toloba Abi est angolaise. So na ka oyo nazo kolobela ba terminaison oyo na suka ndenge ezaleli na adjectif ya masculin na ka oyo eza oyo terminaison nango eza oyo. Adjectif ya féminin terminaison nango eza oyo. Okay? So zo comprendre te tunanga tindilanga email benganga na expliquer bien. Awa toza na on na oyo to utiliser yango nde toloba Gile est bon. Il est bon. Guylaine est bonne. Elle est bonne. Alors ici, on a Guylaine est bon. Here you gonna link it. Il est bon. OK? Guylaine est bonne. Elle est bonne. OK? Ici, il est menteur. Elle est menteuse. Il est heureux. Sometimes you're gonna hear people say, il est heureux. Elle est heureuse. Elle est heureuse. This one, right? This become like the. Like this. Like, elle est heureuse. Elle est heureuse. OK? So, here we go. Il est menteur. Elle est menteuse. OK? Il est heureux. Oh, il est heureux. Elle est heureuse. Ou bien, you can say elle est heureuse. OK? So, awa, oyo, sozo prononcer et comme la z. Z. OK? Donc, la z. Elle est menteuse. Elle est menteuse. Menteuse. Like that. In some situation, exception, chanteur, we don't say chanteur. No, chanteuse. Okay? So it depends here. Because you look at here, for example, you're going to see pasteur, directeur, but be careful. Okay? So, careful in this one. We have acteur and actrice. Justin et acteur. Justine et actrice. René et éditeur. René et éditrice. Okay? This one, Justin is a male et acteur. Justine is a female noun et actrice. So, Justin est acteur. Justine est actrice. René is a male noun et éditeur. René is a female noun et éditrice. Alors, Justin is a comme mwana mobali. Yangona awa adjectif nango eza acteur. Justine eza comme mwana mwasi. Yangona adjectif nango eza actrice. René eza comme mwana mobali. Yango wana adjectif nango eza éditeur. René eza comme mwana mwasi. Yangona na adjectif nango eza éditrice. Okay? Awa toza na José. José eza kombo mwana mobali. José eza kombo mwana ya mobali. Tolobi José est agriculteur. José est agricultrice. Okay? Emmanuel est directeur. Emmanuel est directrice. Okay? We have Kevin est professeur. Paulin est médecin. René est écrivain. Abby est auteur. In some situation, this can change. This now is changing. This also is a change. But for des années passées, à l'époque, c'était ici, professeur reste professeur. Maintenant, professeur, on peut ajouter et ici. Je pense que c'est une nouvelle orthographe, je pense. Et puis ici, écrivain, écrivaine. Ici, acteur, acteur. Donc, ça reste comme ça. Ça. Sauf que professeur, écrivain et puis auteur. Donc, on va voir ici. Kevin. Ici, on a Kevin et professeur. Yeah, OK. Kevin est professeur. Pauline est médecin. René est écrivain. Abby est auteur. À l'époque, tu peux écrire comme ça. Des années passées, tu peux écrire comme ça. Maintenant, c'est Kevin est professeur. Pauline est médecin. René est écrivaine. habit et hauteur. Hein? C'est ça.
Oh yeah, 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 oh yeah. Hey there, what you drinking? 2 shots, let's pour it up. I know what you're thinking, but tomorrow won't come for us. This life that we're living, ain't never gonna give it up. Double shot.